It is Wednesday, my dudes.
Another bleak Wednesday. Believe it or not,
Wednesdays
Wednesdays didn't used to be this terrible. There was a time when
Wednesday.
Wednesdays were better. You see, in better
Wednesdays.
days, YouTuber Zymo Nitrome was still putting out these wonderful
Wednesday.
Wednesday remixes that were just simply life-sustaining. Hits such as
Wednesday.
OS or Evolution of
Wednesday.
But then he stopped.
Wednesdays.
Wednesdays will never be the same. Or can they? That's why today I'm gonna show you how to make a
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
remix in order to cling on to when
Wednesdays.
days were better. My dudes. Step. Sound. The first thing you're gonna need is the sample.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
For this, just use your millennial skills to hack into the YouTube mainframe. Then just slap that bad boy into your legitimate version of FL Studio, and then choppity, chop, chop. And there you go, you got sample bits.
My dudes.
Great, so now just plug samples into samplers, and then just go ahead and... brings back memories. Man, I miss the old Wednesdays. Now it's time to build a little drum kit and pretend that Zymo Nitrome is still putting out videos, you know?
Dudes. Dudes.
Man, I wish I had a way to tell when the good
Wednesday.
days were here before they were gone, you know what I mean? For the bass, just, you know, get a scream, pitch it down 3 octaves, filter out a little bit of the higher ends, and then you've got yourself a bass. Step. Arrangement. So now that you've got your sounds, it's time to put them together and try to at least hope to make this a better
Wednesday.
So let's start off with the composition. What time, tempo, and key do you want to use? So for our case, let's keep it simple and use 4/4 time, 120 BPM. And a key of, you know what, let's just stick with time and tempo for now. Let's play a nice little drum beat and just, you know what, maybe we should go out there and get a little bit of inspiration, you know, maybe we should seems like a nice little spot over here. Just go ahead and get some inspiration. All right, so let's just go ahead and let's make this beat. What's the right key to this thing? You know what? Whatever. It's getting late. Oh, shit! I lost my key. Where did I leave it? Man, I gotta get it back. Wait a second. Key is B, time is now. B in the now. That's it. That's the key to a better Wednesday. It is Wednesday, my dudes. This episode is brought to you by Squarespace, the easy peasy way to make a website, because if you don't know the slightest thing about coding and or web design like me, you can still showcase your music, blog your sound design strategies, or make a shop for your earwax sculptures. So check out squarespace.com/imaginary ambition for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, use offer code imaginary ambition to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. A dream is just a great idea that doesn't have a website yet. Make it a reality with Squarespace.